BTBT stock analysis for Tuesday and onwards. More like Monday, bro. I'm gonna break down my exact play and everything. And it's the only person in this space that's actually done 42,000 videos over 5 years. I've seen and I'm also documenting what's making me money and what's not. So especially with this thing here, this is my top, this is my demand zone, and all I care about is if this does pull down, it shows me that double break. That's all. If not, if it does not happen, why the heck would I be forcing anything really? What the heck, you know? So I do have previous receipts here, you know, like doesn't show up which whatever reason, but ultimately speaking, if BTBT does not show me this double break, I'm not buying. So yeah, if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading for free, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. If you also want to stay tuned with Bit Digital, and this again, swing wise can be the start of something big. I just need to get involved and rules must be met. So goodbye and enjoy.